Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i on your Android device. So usually we have a few options how to check it. The first one is to open control panel, and right here we have the speaker, but as you can see there's no battery percentage. Next option is to go to the settings and connected devices or the Bluetooth, but the same situation, no battery percentages. And if I click at the settings icon, right here we also have no information about it. So the only one option to check battery level is to use an application. You need to install SOUNDCORE app. Of course, you need to add your speaker to the application, and your speaker should be connected with your phone and with the app. Right here we have this battery icon. Here's 5 sections. Right now I have 4, meaning that I have between 60 and 80%. Also I can click at the speaker, and also right here we have the same icon and the same 4 section. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!